If you don't like boring quests but still want those shiny Discord orbs, then this Comet browser shortcut is for you. Let's get collecting, in record time. First, open up Discord on your desktop or browser. No, your phone won't cut it for this one. Hit the Quests tab, find the Comet AI browser quest, and click Accept. Easy, right? Next, follow the prompts to download the Comet browser from the official site. Don't worry, it's safe. Install the browser on your computer. Windows or Mac, both work. Now, launch Comet and keep it open. You can surf the web, watch videos, or even just let it chill. Just make sure it's active so your time counts. Keep an eye on your progress in the Discord Quests tab. Once you've hit the magic 15 minutes and see 100%, head back to Discord and smash that claim reward button. Boom! 5,000 orbs are all yours. Bonus tip: you can uninstall Comet after the quest if you want. No strings attached. So, ready to level up your orb stash the easy way?